Hello friends, this is Terry with your summer solstice astrology report, and this summer solstice I will be celebrating at Unity of Bend. So if you live in Central Oregon, come on down to Unity for the summer solstice Tuesday, June 21st at 6 p.m. to about 8:30. It's a healthy happy hour with the Bend Health Guide. We do this summer solstice healthy happy hour every year. I think this is our 6th year running that we've done the summer solstice. And this year is especially exciting because we'll be at the Labyrinth. And we have Jane Hiatt is going to lead us in a solstice meditation just before we walk the Labyrinth. And then Sirah of Ezrah Healing will be doing a crystal singing bowl in the inner sanctum with drinks by Kinergy Kombucha. I would love to see you there. We only have space for 50 people, and I believe we're more than half full right now. So if you're interested, just take a minute to go down to the link in the description and get yourself the tickets are free. We just want people to RSVP so we don't exceed capacity for this event. And just go on Eventbrite and sign up for a free ticket to make sure you have a spot, and I'd love to see you. We do have an exciting planetary alignment. On this summer solstice, we have 5 planets. If you go out in the morning before sunrise and you look to the southeast, you will see Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn all in alignment towards the sun. And this is one of those once-in-a-lifetime alignments, and science teachers in particular should be excited and taking photos of this one because the planets are actually lining up exactly in the order that they are in the distance to the sun. So this is a very special, the stars are literally aligning for this summer solstice of 2022.